Hello students, we are doing subject Shiv Chhatrapati Environmental Studies Part 2, Lesson number 9, Pratapgarh Makes History. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4th Online Studies. Pratapgarh makes history. In this lesson we have seen the points: Adil Shah perturbed, the Khan accepts the challenge, Swaraj in danger, Afzal Khan's counter move, tit for tat, and now we'll see the point, the meeting place. The Machi on Pratapgarh was chosen as the meeting place. A date and time was fixed to meet. Both of them agreed to meet each other. Each of them will take a servant along with them and also 10 bodyguards at a distance. A special road was constructed for the convenience of the Khan and a big shamiana put up for the meeting. You can see the shamiana. Here they decided to meet with each other. He divided his army into small units. Each unit was told where to hide and how to act. He took every measure for the safety. Everything was done by Shivaji Maharaj with a great care. Many of his advisors, the people who was worried about him, tried to deceive him. Meaning of deceived is they tried to stop him from meeting with the Khan. They said Shivaji Maharaj that Khan's words could not be trusted, as Khan could do a sudden attack and he can kill. But he brushed aside, means he ignored the advice and decided to meet the Khan. Before the meeting, on the day of meeting, Shivaji Maharaj visited Bhavani's temple in the morning and took darshan. Soon after, he started putting on his ceremonial clothes. He wore his sarwar and a coat of mail. Over the coat of mail, he wore a kurta and a flowing robe. On his head he placed the jeere top helmet and tied a mandil around it. He fitted Vagnath on the fingers of his left hand. Hidden inside the left sleeves was a bichwa, and he carried the danpatta in his hand. He was now ready to face the Khan. All the Sardars were waiting outside. Shivaji turned to them and said, "Friends, each one of you must carry out the duties assigned to you. I am sure the goddess Bhavani will see that we will succeed. But if things go wrong and if I am killed, do not lose your heart. Install make Sambhaji on the Gadi. Follow the commands of Ma Sahib Jizabai. Fight for Swaraj and extend, means increase its boundaries. Make the subjects, make the people, Praja, happy. I shall go now to meet the Khan." He was along with by his Vakil Pantaji Gopinath and 10 bodyguards including Jivaji Mahala, Sambhaji Kauji, Yesaji Kank, Krishnaji Gaikwad, Siddhi Ibrahim and others. When Shivaji Maharaj reached the Shamiana, he saw that Khan had already arrived there. Standing by his side was and soldier Bada Sayyad by name. He was highly skilled in the use of Danpatta. He was skilled in the use of Danpatta. Shivaji came to the entrance of the Shamiana, but on seeing Bada Sayyad, he stopped and would not proceed further. He would not go further inside. The Khan asked Shivaji's Vakil why Shivaji stood at the entrance instead of coming in. Why he is standing out? Why he is not coming inside? What happened? So the Vakil said, he is afraid of Bada Sayyad. Please ask him to go away. Bada Sayyad moved away and then Shivaji stepped in. He went inside. The Khan got up and said, "Come Shivaji Raje, let us embrace, hold each other as a mark of our friendship." The struggle with the Khan. Shivaji Maharaj cautiously, carefully took a step forward and the Khan took him in his embrace. He held him. Now compared to the giant Khan, Khan was very big, giant. Shivaji Maharaj was short. He reached only as the Khan's chest. At the same moment, the Khan held Shivaji's neck in his iron grip. He held his neck and stabbed him. Means he put his knife in his stomach and stabbed him on the side with his dagger, with his weapon. He stabbed him. He put his knife in his stomach. It tore apart Shivaji's robe. That tore the Shivaji's robe, but the coat of mail underneath saved him. He wore coat of mail. So because of that, he was saved by Afzal Khan's attack. Shivaji, knowing that the Khan was trying to kill him, now he came to know that the Khan is trying to kill him, quickly thrust the Vagnath in the Khan's stomach. He put the Vagnath in the Khan's stomach. Because of the coat of mail, he was saved from the Afzal Khan's attack, and after that he just used the Vagnath and he quickly thrust in the Khan's stomach. Drawing out the bichwa with his right hand, then with his right hand he took the bichwa and he drew it into the Khan's stomach and tore apart his guts. He tore his stomach. He just put that in the Afzal Khan's stomach. The wounded Khan fell down. Khan's Vakil Krishnaji Bhaskar came forward and attacked Shivaji with his sword, but Shivaji killed him with one stroke of the patta. When Bada Sayyad heard the shouts and noise, he rushed into the Shamiana. As he was about to strike Shivaji, Jivaji Mahala came between them and killed Bada Sayyad with one stroke. Because of Jiva, Shiva was saved. Because of Jiva, Shiva was saved became a common saying afterwards. Because of Jiva, Shivaji Maharaj was saved. Sambhaji Kauji also showed great bravery in this conflict. The rout of the Afzal Khan's army. Meaning of rout is military. We'll see about Afzal Khan's army. Thus now Shivaji Maharaj have won, so with triumph. Meaning of triumph is victory, won. With victory he went up to the fort. The gun boomed, means the gun's big sound. With clap, signal was given. Now Shivaji Maharaj army got the signal that yes, it is a victory now. We have won. And as they were hidden, now they came out and made an attack on the Khan's army. The Khan's army was not prepared for this attack, and therefore they were caught in a difficult terrain, on a difficult ground. They could not even run away to save their lives. The Maratha troops chased them and destroyed the whole Khan's army. Fazal Khan, Afzal Khan's son, anyhow saved himself with great difficulty and he reached to Bijapur. The disastrous means harmful campaign spread darkness over the whole of Bijapur because Afzal Khan was killed by Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj in this way put down the most powerful Sardar of the Bijapur court. His fame spread everywhere. Shivaji Maharaj's fame spread everywhere. The songs of his exploits, his hard work, were heard in the hills and valleys of Sahyadri. The great bravery was done by Shivaji Maharaj on Pratapgarh. His songs, Povadas, are sung till today. So thus Pratapgarh makes history. Thank you.